It's a little bit scary because I flipped like twice or three times already. Once I almost broke my heel, but I have to learn it. Yeah, this one was a little longer. I usually do it in second gear on this bike. I'm a little scared to put it in that balance point. Yeah, the takeoff needs to be nice and straight. And it's best to do it downhill. I mean uphill. Definitely not downhill. And this bike has a light on the rear fender, so if I flip it, the light is a history. It's so easy to pull the front end up. Just give it a blip on the throttle. I mean blip on the clutch and a little bit of throttle. It's right up. Some of you asked me for the tutorial for wheelie, and I responded that I don't really know how to do it yet, so let me learn it first. Or maybe I can give you a tutorial, not a tutorial, but I can share with you guys how I learn it, you know, show you my mistakes, show you my the way I do it and how I do the progress. And you can also give me some tips if you are good at that. Now, you know, I'm sitting back, look, I'm sitting back on the seat. You need to play with the throttle to keep it on that balance point. Look at those ruts. If I'm going down, then I'm going down, right? This wasn't like that 2 years ago, but we had a big rain and nobody's going to fix this road. So, you know, first time I came riding after the big rain, I almost hit back there because I was used to this road be nice and flat, so I was speeding on my KTM and almost didn't make it there. You guys, if you go riding on a place that you know well but you haven't been there for a long time, then count on some changes on the trail. It always happens. This is too sandy. I'm spinning the wheel. Yeah, it's spinning my wheel. That was a pure sand there. That was a little better. Hey, don't forget to cover your rear brake all the time. You know what is good to do? To have that mental connection. You are going too far, you hit the rear brake. I still don't have it. I still don't have it in me. And when I'm going too far, maybe one from 5 times, I will hit that brake. Other 4 times, I just wait that it will come back down, which is not correct. I mean, I should hit that brake every single time. It's just so difficult to think of it, like, because your heart starts beating really hard. You're in some kind of shock. You're thinking that you're gonna flip the bike and you don't think straight. At least me, I cannot do it every single time. I need to build that connection, and then it will be no problem. So it's good to practice it, like go up and hit the brake, go up and hit the brake. So you build that, I call it the mental connection, but you know what I mean, right?